Your girl got this hair done and I'm new now. This is Shaw Queen. What's up, what's up, what's up? I am back today with another YouTube video. First of all, if you are new here, welcome.
Oh, hey, how are you guys?
But if you ain't, welcome back. Thank you for returning to my channel and sticking around with me, okay? My little 40 subscribers, I love you. I do have a goal. By the end of April, I would like to have 100 subscribers, okay? So if y'all can help me achieve that, I would really appreciate that, okay? Okay, thank you. But for real though, this video today is gonna be a wig review on the Aplus Hair that I got from Aliexpress. I will say some things. I like this hair, not gonna lie, but I do wish that it was just a tad bit thicker. Like, I got all my hair pulled to the front and this is it. Look! Like, where is the rest?
What is that?
Where's the rest? And then on top of that, it doesn't really hold a curl. Like, I did my little birthday photo shoot, curled my hair before I left, and like by the middle, but not even by the middle of the shoot, like the wind was blowing too hard, I guess, and them curls just, they gone. I got a small flip in the front, but as far as curls go, there are no curls. Like, they fell pretty much instantly. I don't know, comment some tips down below that can help me keep these curls in, because I really like this hair. Like, it's a very nice color. It did arrive with a smell, not gonna lie about that, but I should have washed it. It's kind of like a given, like they pretty much always have a smell, so it was kind of my fault, but neither here nor there. But the pros to this, like I said, this is a really good color. It is definitely true to length. This is a 20-inch wig and I'm like 5'2", so it's kind of long on me, but yeah, it is pretty true to length. Really just does not hold a curl. And if you know me, then you know, like, I am the queen of some body wave hair, and I think this is what that was. It wasn't straight, and and even then, I just straightened this hair last night, and it's really like back body wave. So I don't care about that, but I really want a curl pattern. If you're gonna wave, do what I said do. Okay. It got here pretty quickly though, so I'm not really mad about the shipping. And the seller was also very responsive to me, so that is a plus. But I don't know, I'm in love with the color. I guess if you don't like super thick hair like I do, then it's really fine, because it's low-key okay. Like, when it curls, it looks full, but other than that, it's, you know, not super full, but it's okay. It's about a 130 density, so it's probably just standard, but I like 180. Okay. I like some thick stuff. So I will show you the package that it came in and what things I got in there, so I'll be right back. Yeah, so I'm back. So this is a little package that it came in, shipped through UPS. You see? So let's pull things out of the bag. So first and foremost, we got 3 flexi rods. So if I just keep ordering, I'll have me a full set for free, okay? Because you know flexi rods kind of high. Well, not really, but like, I just don't be feeling like that shit costs as much as it costs. That's how I put that. 2 wig caps. So we love that, actually. That's nice. And then my lashes fell out of this thing. Oh, here they is. Here they are. Look at these lashes, bro. But I'm thankful, because they ain't gonna do nothing else. They gonna send you some flexi rods, they gonna send you this wig cap, and they gonna send you these lashes, okay? Don't play with them, because they gonna get you right. And they also sent me an extra clip, so that's great, but you know, I got this installed, so don't really matter. Outside of that, it's a really okay wig. Like, if you just need it for an occasion, it's really nice. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. I just wish it was a little bit thicker. That's my only problem with the wig. Like, I literally just wish that it was thicker and I would be fine. So if you want to purchase this hair, or you're thinking about purchasing this hair, I would give it a 8. I would give it an 8, and I would say that you should buy it, because it does the job. Like, whatever you need it for, and for the price. I think I paid $142 for this. I think I can clip in like what I actually paid for it, but yeah, it doesn't hold a wig. I mean, it doesn't hold a curl, and my stylist cut layers in my hair, so don't worry about this. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty straight. It doesn't shed a lot. As far as tangles go, it doesn't really tangle for real. Like, I can easily pass my fingers through it or do it a quick comb through, brush through, anything, and the tangles come right out. It doesn't really get matted, like it's not matted in the back or anything. Like, it's literally just, you know, doing its job. And it's a really nice color. Like, I'm just in love. This is my first time trying the highlights. And in this video, you'll see when I actually got my hair done and what it looked like. So I will show you that in just a second. Okay, so what's up, y'all? Today I am about to get my hair done for my birthday shoot. This is the wig that I'm gonna be wearing. I'm trying to hurry up because it's at 3 o'clock and it's currently 2:59. So this is the wig that I'm gonna be wearing. It's like brown and blondish highlights with a little bit of black. So I'm really excited. Got the highlights. It stank low-key. I definitely should have washed it. It's giving fish. And I'm sad about that because I totally forgot to wash this hoe before I came over here. But, you know, it is what it is. We live and we learn. So, yeah, I'm not going to show, like, me getting my hair done, but I will show y'all the final product. So, stay tuned. I got my hair done, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm back again. I finally got my hair done. I didn't get to record the whole process of me actually getting done. Not even that I didn't get to, I just didn't want to, because that's a lot, and I'm not going through all that right now. So, yeah, I got my hair done. Step number 2 in the process. Step number 1 was getting my nails done, which I love. And tomorrow, I'm going to get my nails done in the morning, and then I got my shoot on Sunday. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So thank you guys for watching my wig review. Let me know down below what other things you would like to see from me. The first thing that I'm gonna say right now is I do have another wig, okay? So I will get that recorded and post that review as well, okay? Thank you, bye. Thank you guys for watching. With all our years in an hourglass, yeah. I think I've fallen for you. So this is step 1 and the well, step number 2, because I got my nails done on Thursday at like 10 a.m. but I'm new, so